In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to bring your existing work into ClickUp without the guesswork. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. On the sign-in page, choose Continue with Google. This is a quick, secure way to get into your workspace without typing credentials. When Google's account chooser appears, select the account you use for ClickUp and complete the sign-in. In a moment, you'll land inside the app. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile or name icon. That opens a menu with key options that relate to your personal and workspace settings. From that menu, click Settings. You're now in the area where you manage preferences for your ClickUp experience. In the Settings sidebar, find and click Imports/Exports. This is the hub for moving data into and out of ClickUp. Next, click Import Items to launch the guided import flow. You'll see a clean screen designed to help you choose the best path for your data. On this screen, you'll notice a section labeled Select Source of Import. Think of it as two big routes, importing from local files on your computer or importing from other apps. Choose based on where your data currently lives. If your information is saved on your computer, take a look at Import from Local Files. This is great for spreadsheets like CSV or Excel and for text documents. A quick tip before you import: make sure your files are organized and clearly labeled. Clean headers and consistent formatting help ClickUp read your content more accurately. You'll also see Import from Apps. This is perfect if your work is stored in other tools. As an example, selecting Asana lets you bring over projects and tasks so you can keep momentum in ClickUp. Another example you may see is Slack, which helps centralize work that started in chat, so follow-ups don't get lost. For this walkthrough, let's focus on Documents. Click Document to choose that path, then click Import. You can drag and drop your file right into the uploader, or use the option to browse your computer. Keep the window open while the upload runs, especially for larger files, and give it a moment to process. When the import finishes, you'll see a completed status. At that point, open the imported item in ClickUp to confirm formatting looks good and everything landed where you expect. That's it, your data is now in ClickUp and ready to use.